Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dwi Yuniarto. I am a lecturer in the Department of Informatics Engineering at one of the private higher education in Sudan, namely the School of Information and Computer Management, or we call STIMIC Sudan. I would like to thank the International Conference on Cyber and IT Service Management, or CITSM, 2020 committee for the opportunity. At CITSM 2020, this time I will present my paper entitled Acceptance of Ubiquitous Registration Information System, submit number 47 with co-author dan Indra Junaidi and Esa Firmansyah. This presentation is divided into several sections. The first part is introduction, the second part is the research method, the third part is the result and discussion, and the last part is the conclusion. I will begin to convey about introduction. Some institutions that are directly related to service activity to the public are very obligated to implement policy regarding the use of IS. The number of people and the number of activity into consideration the need for the application of IS. Ubiquitous IS become the right solution in providing service with a large number of users. However, it is different from what happened to several organizations that implement ubiquitous IS for the need for old-fashioned registration, which in practice creates a lot of problems. The socialization, which is not an issue, is not accepted by the public by the application of the IS, especially the socialization carried out on social media, whereas most people do not do activities on social media. In contrast to some people who are accustomed to activities on social media and their daily needs, ubiquitous IS are fail to help meet their needs. In terms of behavior regarding the use of an IS, especially implemented in an institution that provides services to the community, it is necessary to study the efficiency and effectiveness of its application. Considering changing user habits, it requires a long time of adaptation, especially when the application involves diverse communities. Gaps in the use of IS that arise are about the skills processed by users. Some are accustomed to using IS and some are not accustomed to show that the development of an institution services are usually largely influenced by community factors as usual of or reserve. The emergence of a lack of a socialization or other similar things is easy to be used as a scapegoat when the user is not ready. The institutional goal initially to maximize service was not achieved and eventually become a stigma in the eyes of the public or user. Purposes or objective and hypothesis for this research. The purpose of this study is to determine what factors influence the acceptance of the use of ubiquitous registration IS in rural area in the hope of providing input to relate parties. The researcher started this research with the problem identification state, which is supported by several previous research reference, and then determine the model used to determine the influential factors. From some of the technology acceptance model, variable researcher down to indicator which are then made into the question for a questionnaire distributed to several respondents. The result of the distribution of the questionnaire were analyzed statistically, which was discussed and made conclusion, finally made a research report. The researcher determines the research hypothesis as follows. H1, presumably, perceived usefulness has a significant effect on attitude toward use in the use of ubiquitous registration IS. H2, it is suspected that perceived ease of use has a significant effect on the use in the use of ubiquitous registration IS. Hypothesis number 3, presumably, perceived usefulness has a significant effect on the intention to use in using ubiquitous registration IS. And last, for hypothesis number 4, it is suspected that the attitude toward use significantly influence the intention to use in the use of ubiquitous registration IS. This research begins with the stage of problem identification supported by library study activity, followed by determining the research program and determining the models and theory used. At the stage of operationalization, researchers determine the research instrument and prepare questionnaire and distribute them. The questionnaire was distributed as a sample of uh, 70 respondents, and the results were processed to find out the factor that significantly influence the ubiquitous IS acceptance in rural areas. The distribution of questionnaire in rural area found several obstacles, including that there were still many respondents who were not accustomed to filling out the Google form, while institutional respondents had to fill in it. Finally, researchers made the report writing. The sample of respondents is distributed to 32% of government institutions that provide service and 68% of the community. For quantitative analysis on result and discussion, alternative answers are given a score of 1 to 5, which shows very positive extreme with a score of 5 and very negative extreme given a score of 1 or vice versa, depending on the type of statement test. 1 is for very not supportive, 2 is not supportive, 3 unknown, 4 supportive, and 5 very support. Based on the result of the distribution of questionnaire that have been given to respondents, as many as 70 people. After distributing the questionnaire, the author scored the result of the questionnaire to find out what factors were considered useful and should be improved. The following are the result of the questionnaire scoring. Based on the perceived usefulness questionnaire result obtained in the highest score of 92% is related to effective. In this case, respondents assume that registration through ubiquitous IS is considered effective. Then the lowest score relate to useful. Based on the result of the VEU questionnaire perception of ease of use, the highest score is 87.71% is related to easy to learn. In this case, respondents assume that registration through ubiquitous IS is considered easy to learn. Then the lowest score relate very easy. Based on the result of the scoring questionnaire attitude toward use, the highest score obtained by 82.57% is related to satisfaction and interesting in this case. Respondents assume that registration through ubiquitous IS is considered to provide satisfaction and interest. Then the lowest score relate to comfort. The result of the ITU questionnaire for intention to use, the highest score of 84.29% is related to sustainability. In this case, respondents assume that I will always use registration to ubiquitous, then the lowest score relate to needs. Next, for the result in discussion, the test result, the coefficient of determination of VU and VEU on ATU is obtained 0.5812 or 33.75%, while the remaining 66.25% is influenced by other variable outside the VU and VEU variable that are not included in the model. Table above, it can be explained that VU has a PET value of 0.419 with a significant value of 0.001 smaller than the significant value of 0.05, so it can be said that perceived usefulness has a significant effect on attitude toward use in the use of ubiquitous registration IS. Furthermore, to VU has a value of 0.243 with a significant value of 0.038 less than the error level of 0.05, so it can be said the perceived ease of use has a significant effect on attitude toward in the use of ubiquitous registration IS. The regression coefficient table above, it can be explained that VU has a value of negative 0.541 with a significant value of 0.000 less than the significant value of 0.05, so that it can be said that perceived usefulness has significant effect on attitude toward use in the use of ubiquitous registration IS. The registration coefficient above, it can be explained that VU has a value of negative 0.453 with a significant value of 0.000 less than the significant value of 0.05, so that it can be said that perceived ease of use has a significant effect on attitude toward use in the use of ubiquitous registration IS. The regression coefficient table above, it can be explained that VU has a channel value of negative 0.444 with a significant value of 0.000 less than the significant value of 0.05, so it can be said that perceived usefulness has a significant effect on the intention to use in the use of ubiquitous registration IS. The registration coefficient table above, it can be explained that the ATU has a fat value of 0.929 with signification value of 0.000 less than the signification value of 0.05, so that it can be said attitude toward use has a significant effect on the intention to use in the use of ubiquitous registration IS. The result obtained from this study indicate that perceived usefulness has a significant effect on attitude toward use, perceived ease of use has a significant effect on use, perceived usefulness significantly influence the intention to use, and attitude toward use significantly influence the intention to use. Last, for the conclusion based on the result of the analysis that has been done, it can be concluded that so far respondents have felt that registration tool, or we call those IS, has been considered effective when viewed from the perception of usefulness, easy to learn in terms of ease of use, feeling satisfied and interested in terms of use, and need to follow up for sustainability use. The result of this study become material for study and comparison for other researchers, considering that they are applied to different objects and respondents who have different abilities, let alone apply in rural areas. The developer of the ubiquitous registration IS should pay attention to the result of the study as material for its implementation in the future. So that I can be. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.